Hello traders, so now we are going to analyze the Nifty market. So Nifty, actually we know we have two resistance. The first resistance is at 23,650 and second one is at 23,800. So we expecting a selling pressure over the market where the support S1, which is at 23,347, is easily breakable, and we could able to see the second support which is lies around 23,200. So and we have a good demand and gap over around like in the region of exactly from 22,967 to 907, and below that we have the in-depth demand which lies around 22,600. This is for the Nifty, and we could able to see a trend line liquidity from this area to this region, and when we going for the Nifty bank, we have important resistance around 52,200, which is a higher resistance, and below that we have 51,780. So this is the recent resistance. I am expecting a crash for this region to cover in the demand zone below the S1 and S2. The S1 which is around like 51,231 and S2 is around 50,879. When we go for the 4-hour time frame, we could able to see this is a three gap that needs to be filled. You can see a sharp up move, but we expecting a correction over the market in further days, because of one news we have around is from the US market. So for the import tariff, sorry, the taxes that they are going to impose on us for buying oil from Venezuela, and one more news has comes up from the China. They have good PMI which is around 50.5 greater, so that's a good news from China's market. And let's see for the Sensex. In Sensex, we could able to see market has shifted to for the sell side, and as expected the resistance which is lies around 77,729. This is the first resistance, and the second one is like around 78,230 in this area. But I'm expecting the support S1 and S2 will be the crucial point for further breakable to cover this area, because these are the gaps that needs to be filled. Let's see in the upcoming days, where S1 is around 77,345 and S2 is around 76,800. So these are the good area, and you could able to see this is a sharp selling area, but this has been broken out in these days. See, when we try to connect, so this is a first point and second point which is not tapped, and this is a third point, but this is breakable. But if you look for the correction, this thing, the important demand zone is lies around in the range of 75,500 to 75,700. So this is a good range. Let's see in the upcoming days. I hope this analysis will be totally key level to note in the chart. Thanks for watching.